Welcome back to the channel. What if I told you that one simple pricing mistake could completely derail your entire move and cost you thousands of dollars in the process? It's happening right now, and today, I'm going to show you why unrealistic price expectations are sabotaging sellers and, more importantly, how you can avoid falling into that exact same trap. Here's a pattern I see all the time. A seller remembers what their neighbor's house sold for 2 or 3 years ago, or maybe what their own home might have been worth at the peak of the market. And they say, I want that number, but here's the thing, markets change. Supply and demand shift. Interest rates go up and down. What was true even just 6 months ago might not apply today. As a recent article from Keeping Current Matters warns, listing your home to high doesn't just mean you'll get fewer offers, it risks derailing your move entirely. So, what actually happens when your price is way off the mark? First, fewer buyers will even see your home. Most buyers filter their searches by price, and if your home is priced out of their range, it's off their radar completely. They won't even schedule a tour. Second, with no tours, no offers arrive. You're left waiting and waiting while your moving plans are stuck in limbo. Eventually, you're forced to cut the price, but by then, many buyers see that price reduction as a red flag. They start asking, why did they have to reduce it? Is there something wrong with the house? This stigma can be hard to shake. And in the worst case scenario, you have to pull your home off the market entirely. In fact, more homes are being delisted than usual right now, often because sellers refuse to budge from an unrealistic price. That's a huge risk, especially if you're counting on that sale to fund your next move or relocation. Now, don't get me wrong, the market isn't broken. Sellers still have a lot of leverage, but you have to play it smart. And even though you might need to adjust your expectations a bit, there's some really good news. According to Keeping Current Matters, home values have risen significantly over the past 5 years. That means even if you agree to a more realistic price today, you're still very likely to walk away with a significant profit because of the equity the market has already given you. So, what are the sellers who are actually winning doing differently? First, they work with a local, trusted agent, someone who truly understands what's selling right now in your specific zip code. Second, they run a comparative market analysis, or CMA, focusing on actual closed sale prices from the last 30 to 90 days, not just what other homes are listed for. Third, they're prepared to adjust. They start with a strong but reasonable price, and they don't let emotional attachment prevent them from being flexible. And finally, they price their home to generate interest from the start. A home that gets a lot of traffic and shows well is far more likely to attract competing offers. That's a much better strategy than holding out for one high number that scares most buyers away. So before you hit that list button and set your price as high as you can dream, just pause for a moment. Make sure that number connects with today's buyers, not yesterday's market. Because unrealistic pricing doesn't just cost you money, it could cost you your entire move. If you found this helpful and want more content like this, be sure to subscribe. Next up, I'll be walking you through 3 specific pricing strategies that smart sellers are using to get multiple offers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.